The Carruthers family has a rich and complex history that is closely tied to the development of Scotland. The family's name is believed to originate from Caer Rydderch or Rhythyr, an ancient British fort in Dumfriesshire that may have been named after a person with the name Rydderch. Over the centuries, the Carruthers family has been linked to the Bruce family and played significant roles in Scottish politics, religion, and military affairs. One of the earliest recorded members of the Carruthers family was Nigel de Karruthers, a cleric who served as Rector of Ruthwell and later as Canon of Glasgow Cathedral. He was also named chancellor to Robert, Steward of Scotland, in 1344, and played a significant role in the religious and political affairs of the time. The Carruthers family's rise to prominence occurred in the 13th century when they became stewards of Annandale under the Bruce family. They also acquired the lands of Musfald, which became their main stronghold. However, the Mouswald line of the family ended with Simon Carruthers, who was killed in a border raid in 1548. Despite this setback, the family of Howmains continued to prosper, and their lands were erected into a free barony in 1542. John Carruthers of Howmains was indicted in 1563 for his role in an assault on Kirkpatrick of Closeburn, demonstrating the family's continued involvement in Scottish politics. The Carruthers family also made significant contributions to Scottish military affairs. During World War I, Lieutenant Colonel Francis Carruthers served as Assistant Director at the War Office from 1915 to 1919. He was a brigadier in the Royal Company of Archers, which is the monarch's bodyguard in Scotland, and was later appointed as Lord Lieutenant of Dumfries. Today, the Carruthers family still holds the estate of Dormont in Dumfriesshire. There has been a renewed interest in the clan in recent years, and several organisations have been established to promote and preserve its history and traditions. The Clan Carruthers Society International, for example, was formed in 2017 to promote the history and heritage of the Carruthers family.